Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Genesis G70 versus Cadillac CT4. Focus on engine feel, cabin quality, driving dynamics, tech features, and ownership costs to make a clear choice. Drive impressions, resale expectations, and long-term comfort matter most to buyers considering compact executive sedans. I'll point out where each car shines and where it falls short, so you can match features to your priorities and budget. Let's dive in. The Genesis G70 generally feels more planted thanks to a heavier front end and optional V6 that delivers stronger mid-range thrust, while the Cadillac CT4 trades some raw power for a lighter, more playful steering feel. Expect the G70 to reward spirited drivers and the CT4 to please those who prefer nimble city and canyon runs. Consider test driving both back-to-back to judge which handling profile suits you best. On another note, quick recommendation for anyone who likes weekend drives with lunches on the go. These leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and keep sauces off your seats, which is priceless after a spirited G70 run. If you want to grab a set, check the description for the link and other deals. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Genesis G70 leans toward luxury with soft touch surfaces and an upscale design, while the Cadillac CT4 centers on driver engagement with bold graphics and configurable screens. Infotainment responsiveness, smartphone integration, and voice controls are strong on both, though menus and physical knobs differ. Think about which cabin ambience matches your taste, and whether you prioritize sumptuous materials or a sportier, tech-forward cockpit for daily driving and commuting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.